welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you my review for the Makeup Revolution Hypnotic palette. Now this palette I got in a combo set from Myntra, and that was for 850 rupees, and I got another palette with this, which was the Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. I have a review for both the palettes on my channel, you can go ahead and check, but about this particular palette I have not done a detailed review, so I thought I should go ahead and give you a detailed review for this particular palette. And a lot of you wanted to know like what are the best palettes like on the affordable side, so I think this is one of them, and also has a very good color scheme. Like today I did this beautiful smoky eye using this particular palette, and the best thing about this palette is out of all the Makeup Revolution palettes that have this kind of packaging that were in this range, this is the best palette. They are really highly pigmented. I'll show you a quick swatch of these darker shades that there are over here. Just look at the shades. I used both the shades to create this beautiful smoky eye today, and I'm loving this palette, guys. It's really beautiful. Let me go ahead and show you a swatch on my hand, like what is the color payoff. Look at the color, guys. It's really beautiful. The rest of the shades are pretty neutral. I mean, you do not really need a lot of them on a daily basis, but then yeah, you get some pretty good neutral shades. So if you're somebody who likes neutrals, and you like applying a little bit here and there only like on a daily basis, this palette will really help you guys. Now it has a beautiful pink shade over here, and a very gorgeous, this is a very beautiful nude brown shade. This too has like very good color pigment. You can just see. Beautiful palette, guys. I really love this palette, but there's one downside about this palette, that the shimmer shades are not that good. Like they are really patchy, they're not very good. I do not really like the the patchiness of this palette, though the shine and everything, the sheen is perfect, everything is fine, just that it's a little, only the shimmer shades are a little patchy. When you apply them, you have to work like really hard just to blend them. So other than that, the rest of the shades, and if you're looking a palette just for the smoky eyes and to do your eyebrows, this one will really help you a lot. So guys, if I talk about the performance, this one definitely would last on your eyes like for the whole day. They do not wear off, and I am somebody who loves smoky eyes. I do smoky eyes very often, and from the morning till I come back from work, it is there on my eyes. They do not wear off very easily. Very good color payback. Also, there's no kickback on the pan, so that is one good thing. Other than that, a few shades over here are a little chalky, like this one over here. This one is a little chalky, but then other than that, the rest of the shades are very beautiful. I created a ton of looks using just this palette. You can definitely go ahead and try this one. This is highly recommended from my side. Other than this, if you're looking for a palette, if you're somebody who likes more of the pinker pink tones and more warm tones, you can go for this one right here. This one is also a very good palette. I do not use it a lot, but the shades are very good. Some of the shades are a little chalky as usual, the white one and some of the shades, but the rest of the shades that you need are very beautiful. Let me very quickly go ahead and give you a swatch of this one as well. Just check out the shades, guys. They are really beautiful. I'm just gonna give you a nice, just look. And also the formula is very good, and Makeup Revolution any day does not disappoint. So for the price that you're paying, you're getting a very good palette, guys. So if you want to get both of these palettes like for much less price, you can definitely go ahead and check on Nykaa as well. They are selling it for like 1400 rupees for 2 palettes. You can definitely go ahead and give these a try. So guys, I hope you like this little review, and I have a ton of videos like this on my channel regarding makeup, skincare and hair care. So come join our sweet little family, and I'll be back with more such product review videos. Until then, see you next time.